Is the Wi-Fi option missing from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 settings? In this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to bring back the Wi-Fi option and get your internet working again. Solution 1. Restart WLAN Autoconfig service. First, open Services. Double-click on WLAN Autoconfig. Expand Startup Type and select Automatic. Then click on Start. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Finally, click on Restart. Next solution, reset network using command prompt. Now search for CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Copy the command netch winsock reset from the video description. Paste it here and press Enter. Now copy the command netch int IP reset from the video description. Paste it here and press Enter. Next, copy the command IP protocol configuration /flushtons from the video description. Paste it here and press Enter. Finally, type exit and press Enter. Next solution, reset network settings. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Open Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Click Yes to confirm. Finally, right-click on the Windows Start button and restart your PC. That's it. After restarting, the Wi-Fi option should appear again and your internet should work normally. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials.